And click. Boop. Gonna try and burn it to a DVD-R, see what it does, see if the G5 likes it or not. 2003 Apple Macintosh Power Mac and Apple G5 and Apple Mac and G5 and with the Lubuntu installer. Oh, uh-oh. Oh shit. Oh shit. Well, I can see the reflection of my hand. Or is that part of the operating system? When in doubt, click 100 times. Oh, it opened up. Hopefully a million of them don't open up. Sure, we'll do third party. It just registered that's connected to the internet. That's it. Continue. Now, hopefully, well, maybe I should have hit, whatever. It's taking its sweet time. What do we got? What do we got? Yeah, erase and install Lubuntu. Yes. Install now. New York? Sure. English? Who are you? Who am I? That's a good question. Who am I? What are we? Where am I? Oh shit, it actually looks like it's gonna go. This is pretty cool. This is pretty sweet. I'm digging it. Oh shit. Installing, configuring, it's doing stuff. Come on, baby. Come on. It's the final. Whoa. Thanks. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Do it. Do it. Do it. Oh, mama. Oh, mama. Moment of truth. Alright, alright, alright. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's doing something, I think. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Give it to me, baby. Well, that's not a very good sign. That's not very promising at all. I don't know what it means, though. Oh, something's working, though. We have a pointer. Well. Oh, we got stuff loading up here. Is that it? Oh, check that out. Check it out, check it out. Check it out, check it out. Yeah, install now. Click a million times, there it is. Woo! Oh, gotta put in my really long, hard password. Nobody figure out what I'm doing. Whoop. Don't hack me. A new version? Well, hell yeah. Oh, secret password. Ubuntu 16.04. Oh, that's quite the jump. Only one click that time. Oh, that's slow speed. Jesus. Oh, now, taking its sweet time, but it's still chugging away. It's still doing something. This is the upgrade to the newest version, or a newer version. I honestly have no clue. So much time. Come on. Come on. Can take several hours. Yeah, I got that. Oh, is this actually happening? Is it actually happening? Oh no, is it happening? Yeah, clear that shit. Clear that shit. Failed. Yeah, I don't care. What's an error between friends? Software, unofficial software. I don't even... Did this even update to... Well, there we have it. Lubuntu 16.4 or 0.04 or something. I don't know. It's on there. We got Ubuntu running on an Appletosh G5 or 2003-ish iMac, GMac, Book Pro, Apple, Ubuntu, Apple, Ubuntu, Ubuntu, Ubapple, Ubapple. I like that one. Ubapple.